So this is going to be a very interesting grammar video, number 185. A simple grammar and the style of phrasing that you will hear a lot in Tamil conversations, especially when people talk of past, something that is completed. So this type of phrase formation is one of the most common in Tamil. There are different many ways to speak of the past event or something that is completed. So it is not possible to compare to the English tenses all the time. Therefore, we shall try to understand this as it is. Please try to understand this so that this whole video will be easy for you. Aga is to happen. And Aachu happened, Agadu it happens, and Agom it will happen. I'm sure this is a very basic lesson and most of you are able to understand them. Let us see Aachu. It is a very common sound that you'll hear when people speak, and if you had trouble ever understanding that, what is that Aachu, Aachu? We see that now. It can be suffixed or added to a verb, and the verb becomes a past action. And if you add it to a noun, it is a past event. To make it simple, just try understand this. In English we say, I'm done working, finished working or eating, which is nothing but you ate, you completed working. It can also mean that task is over, finished or done. Sappitachu means I have eaten, finished. The eating part is over. Sappida is the verb and sappitachu is done eating, finished eating. Tungiyachu means you slept off. The person is not awake but slept. Tungiyachu. As you can understand, it could be past or recent past. But the thing is, the action or event is over. It's completed. Aachu. You will hear this often. Imagine if you give some work to someone and after a while you go and ask him or her, Acha, meaning is it over? And the answer is Aachu. It is over, done. Now, nouns. Vela acha or the work is done, over. Samaylachu, the cooking is over, finish cooking. Vandavanga ellarum kilambiyacha? Has all those who arrived, have they left? Vandavanga, those who arrived. Ellarum, all of them. Kilambiyacha, have they left? Imagine you're inquiring about some guests who arrived and you wish to confirm if they have left. Vandavanga ellarum kilambiyacha? Vela ella mudichacha? Is the work all done? Completed? And the person answers like this. Oru 10 nimisham irunga. Ippatha agudhu. Just wait for 5 minutes. It's going on now. Aachu is past tense. Agadu is present tense. Now you understand it better, I hope. Vela ella mudichacha? Oru 10 nimisham irunga. Ippatha agudhu. நாங்க இந்த வீடு வந்து ஒரு 5 வருஷம் ஆச்சு. We having come here, it is approximately or about 5 years, which means 5 years is over or completed since you moved to the house. இந்த வீடு வந்து ஒரு 5 வருஷம் ஆச்சு. I'm sure you're finding it easier now. All that Aachu sounds that you hear, you don't have to worry about the meaning anymore. So just imagine you're talking to your colleague about moving or relocation. வீட்டுக்காரங்க கிட்ட, to the owner of the house, காலி பண்றத, about vacating, சொல்லியாச்சா? Have you told? So you're done talking about it? சொல்லியாச்சா? And oh, shifte ayacha. Oh, you completed the shifting itself. Here this ayacha is have been done instead of just done, which is acha. So have done, have been done, ayacha, have been done. So you're learning a lot to impress yourselves and your Tamil friends probably. It's a very impressive phrase, really to stun a native speaker if you wish to. Sari sari aanada aachi idi aagarada paapom. Okay. Aanadu aachi, that which happened, or whatever has happened, has happened. Ini aagarada paapom. Let us concentrate on what is it to happen. Aanadu aachi, that which happened, or whatever has happened. Ini aagarada paapom. Let us concentrate on what is yet to happen. Mara thodangiyachu. The rain has started, which means the raining part has started and it is going on. It is raining. Bus vandachu. The bus has arrived. Means it is not coming, it's not on the way, it actually has reached. It has arrived. The action is complete. Bus vandachu. So now, dear learners, the lesson is over now. Lesson aachu. You have also understood. Ungalukku purinjachu. But try to go through the video once again soon so the concept permanently stays in your memory. I mean, this aachu stays forever in you. Now, with so many small minute details that you learn in these videos, in spite of your busy schedule, will it not be easy to refresh all that you have learned regularly in a short bit of time? That is why it will be helpful for you to follow Instagram. With daily portion of learning, easy few seconds, you can refresh all that you have learned. And do not forget to go through all the 185 lessons once in a while if you need to relearn something or if you have doubts. And be sure to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon to be notified of new videos. All the best and vanakkam.